Hey guys, just hanging out late night over here at the campfire, just enjoying some time outside, enjoying the smoke. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's day 2 of the frickin' plague up here in Michigan, particularly northern Michigan still. Crazy, crazy air quality. It's just ridiculous. And it is very smoky. The camera doesn't even pick it up. My GoPro that I had on yesterday actually picked it up a little bit better. But it is nasty out. So when we come feed the animals, I'm wearing a stupid mask. And I say they're stupid because I think masks are stupid. But this is really bad air quality, and you've got to be outside to feed and take care of the animals. Which also just breaks my heart because these poor animals, there's nothing, what can you do for them, right? There's nothing you can do. So it's kind of heartbreaking for everything. And the gardening, and all the gardens and stuff like that. Everything's just landing on everything, and you can't see the sun. I mean, this is... absolutely can't see the sun at all. It's so dark in the house. It is about 10 a.m. in the morning, and it's very dark, and it's ridiculous. It's what it is stupid. It's just plain stupid. And I know, keep my chin up. I know, keep my chin up, that's for sure. And I will, and it's fine. But this is what you go through, human emotions, when you're dealing with something basically so freaking stupid. So this is really stupid. I've said that a lot. So yeah, so coming out quickly, taking care of the animals. Just coming out for a few minutes to record a video to let you guys know what day 2 is looking like for us up here in northern Michigan. And it is blanketed. I mean, it's all over the place at this point. So it's not even just here. It's a lot of different states and everything that's being affected by it. It smells. It's depressing. There's so many things that we want to do outside because we're definitely outdoorsy people, and we can't. Let's say hi to the ducks. They're all around over here. We have a quack shack that we need to build. We need to move the sheep. We need to do all these projects. Not even anything. I need to trim all the tomatoes. We need to hill the potatoes. And you can't really be outside because, well, it's really... it's really unhealthy and not safe to be out here. So we have to... My husband reminded me. He's like, well, just take this time off to rest in the house. And that is true. So we will... get stuff done in the house, do some computer work, catch up on some of our logs that we like to keep track of. Like he's working on fishing right now, and I had to do an update on my bees the last time we went in with them, which is really good. And we caught a swarm the other day, and they're still down there. So then in a few days we got to put a pallet down there and then take them out of the small box that they're in and put them in the big box. So hopefully we can get outside and do that. So far, it looks like maybe we'll get, it'll lighten up a little bit where it's a little more healthy, so we'll be able to come out and do some of those projects. And then, but then I think it goes back. And I don't know if they have necessarily a time frame where it's going to get a little bit better or much better. I think that we might be, I just found something my son lost. He just lost this. It's a fish casting thing where you practice casting. Anyways, welcome to ADHD. So, yeah, we don't know if there's going to be much of a reprieve for quite some time just because of the angle of the jet stream and everything like that and where the fires are coming from. So, I don't know what's going to happen. So, all those who are gardening this year, our gardens have definitely been through smoke, and they do definitely slow down on getting that vitamin D on their solar panels and the photosynthesis and everything like that. So, it'll slow stuff down. But don't be discouraged by that. I think it'll bounce back, and we still have time where a lot of stuff can grow and do good and everything like that. So we should get there. We should get there. So yeah, so I thought I'd give a quick update. Been smoking at the campfire for hours. It sounds like, definitely has some issues. So everyone stay safe, stay indoors. We got some air purifiers going on, no air conditioning, and so it's getting hot and very muggy in the house. It's like gross. Like I want to wear socks all the time because it's like sticky on my feet. I just find that super gross. So anyways, take it easy, guys. Thanks for the prayers.